remember me? I'm Sherlock Bones. 5 weeks ago, I was a sheet of blank paper, and today I'm going to get a proper voice and be turned into a real, moving cartoon character. Not bad at all, eh? But before you can do anything with your cartoon character, you have to know what he looks like from all angles. And to help you do this, this is a great idea. Draw the face of your cartoon character onto an egg. Now that's Sherlock Bones there. And as you can see, if you turn the egg around, you can see him from different angles, and it helps you draw different aspects of him. I've also done one of what's up here. There he is. And he's got a slightly more rounded face. So I've done him on a ping pong ball, and again you can turn him around from different angles and see what he looks like. You can go one step further. You can actually create a model out of modelling clay there. Just paint it all up, and that will help you look at the body from all angles as well. And there he is, good old Bones. So when you really do know your cartoon character, how's about giving him a voice? Well, you can have great fun trying different voices out for your character. There he is. But I'm actually not going to. I'm going to leave this one to the expert.
It's me, Gilbert. Come on, let me in.
No, don't worry. It's not Green Gilbert.
Yes.
It is, in fact, the voice behind Gilbert, Phil Cornwell.
Hello,
Hiya, Phil.
sir. Hello there.
How you doing?
All right. All
Good.
right, yeah.
You know this character, then?
I do. Intimately.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Now,
yeah,
I
know
asked
him
you to provide the voice for Sherlock Bones for me. How did you do?
Well, I looked at the drawing initially, and it sort of struck me immediately what sort of voice this character would have, fortunately, because it's just... you want to hear the voice?
I certainly do.
Well, I saw it, and I thought, I say, my name's Sherlock Bones, actually, and it's based on an old character actor called Terry Thomas, who's brilliant. He's a very famous actor.
It's really weird to hear that, because that's the first time I've heard the character done properly. I mean, I've been trying it, but you've really hit it on the head there.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, it's sort of with this one, it struck me immediately just because of his manner, you know, just looking at him. So that was no problem.
Okay, what about his assistant then? What's up?
Well, with him, again, I thought I looked at the drawing and it wasn't quite as obvious to me.
Right.
But eventually, I've settled on a sort of well, excuse me, sir. My name's What's-up, actually. He's just a little bit more apologetic. But in fact, he's the one with the brains.
Now, that's a good contrast, isn't it? Because
yes.
he's meek and mild, and the other fellow's very flamboyant and proud, and, as you say, all puffed up.
Got to have that, yeah. It's the basics, really. Get the contrast.
All right, well,
and it'll work, hopefully. Yeah.
All right, well, we'll soon find out then. Can you do the two of them together?
Of course I can.
All right, then.
I say, I do sound good. What about you? I sound good too. I hear we're going to be animated next week. What's that? Made into a cartoon? Exactly.